Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs related with ESIC exams and AIMS exam. These questions are very important in upcoming staff nurse exam and pharmacist. So now let's see. Before starting the video, if you like my video then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's see question number first. Risk factors for development of paralytic polio include option A. IM injections, B. DPT, C. tonsillectomy and D. all of the above. Right answer is D. all of the above. So these are the risk factors for development of paralytic polio. Next question. At the village level, sputum for AFB is collected and fixed by A. Anganwadi worker, B. Village health guide, C. health worker female and D. health worker male. Right answer is A. Anganwadi worker. So at the village level, sputum for AFB is collected and fixed by the Anganwadi worker. Next question. Present day BCG vaccine supplied as A. liquid vaccine, B. freeze dried vaccine, C. both and D. none of the above. Right answer is B. freeze dried vaccine. BCG vaccine supplied as freeze dried vaccine. Next question. The diluent used for reconstituting BCG vaccine is A. normal saline, B. dextrose, C. distilled water and D. none of the above. Right answer is A. normal saline. Normal saline is used for the reconstituting for BCG vaccine. Next question. Period of maximum infectivity in mumps is during A. incubation period, B. after swelling appears, C. onset of swelling and D. prodromal period. Right answer is A. incubation period. So period of maximum infectivity in mumps is during incubation period. Next question. Major epidemics of influenza A occur at interval of A. 1 year, B. 2 to 3 years, C. 10 to 15 years and D. 20 to 25 years. Right answer is B. 2 to 3 years. Major epidemics of influenza A occur at the interval of 2 to 3 years. Next question. Major pandemic of influenza A occur at interval of, it's a pandemic, okay. A. 1 year, B. 2 to 3 years, C. 10 to 15 years and D. 20 to 25 years. Right answer is C. 10 to 15 years. Major pandemic of influenza A occur at the interval of 10 to 15 years. Next question. Adjuvant present in DPT vaccine is A. aluminium, B. zinc, C. formaldehyde and D. protein. Right answer is A. aluminium. Next question. Prevalence of tuberculosis infection in community is estimated by A. tuberculin test, B. culture, C. sputum microscopy and D. chest x-ray. Right answer is A. tuberculin test. Tuberculin test is also known as the Mountex test. Next question. All are the vaccine included under the universal immunization program except A. MMR, B. diphtheria, C. pertussis and D. measles. Right answer is A. MMR. MMR vaccine is not included under the universal immunization program. Next question. Dry cough is a common side effect of A. captopril, B. enalapril, C. ramipril and D. all of the above. Right answer is D. all of the above. Next question. Which part of the eye is light sensitive or photosensitive? A. retina, B. iris, C. lens and D. sclera. Right answer is retina. Retina is the part of eye that is sensitive to light, sensitive for photosensitive. Next question. All of the following enzyme used in ELISA except A. beta galactosidase, C. coagulase, C. Alkaline phosphate, and D. Glucose oxidase. Right answer is B. Coagulase. Coagulase is not used in the ELISA test. ELISA test is used for the diagnosis of AIDS. Next question. Cell Ivanov gives positive result for A. Galactose, B. Fructose, C. Glucose, and D. Sucrose. Right answer is A. Galactose. Next question. The main protein of connective tissue is A. Keratin, B. Myosin, C. Collagen, and D. Melanin. Right answer is B. Myosin. Next question. Cholesterol is A. A. Lipid, B. Steroid, C. Fatty acids, and D. Carbohydrate. Right answer is B. Steroid. Cholesterol is a steroid. Next question. Which term is used to describe of insufficient amount of amniotic fluid? A. Polyhydramnios, B. Oligohydramnios, C. Oligouria, and D. Polyuria. Right answer is B. Oligohydramnios. Oligohydramnios is the term that is used for the insufficient amount of amniotic fluid. Next question. Which one is characterized by heavy proteinuria, hypoalbuminemia, and edema? Option A. Urinary tract infection, B. Renal failure, C. Acute glomerulonephritis, and D. Nephrotic syndrome. Right answer is D. Nephrotic syndrome. These are the main characteristic features of nephrotic syndrome: proteinuria, hypoalbuminemia, and edema. Next question. Second stage of labor is associated with A. Dilatation of cervix, B. Expulsion of placenta, C. Expulsion of fetus, and D. Observatory phase or management phase. Right answer is C. Expulsion of placenta or expulsion of fetus. Second stage of labor is associated with expulsion of fetus. Next question. Increased pulse rate during sleeping is seen in A. Diabetes insipidus, B. Diabetes mellitus, C. Hyperthyroidism, and D. Hypothyroidism. Right answer is C. Hyperthyroidism. Increased pulse rate during sleeping is seen in the hyperthyroidism patient. Thank you for watching us.